Tired of serving boring appetizers that vanish without a single wow? What if I told you there's a simple dish that marries the smoky goodness of your barbecue with the fresh zing of a classic Italian bite, creating an explosion of flavor that will leave your guests begging for the recipe? Get ready, because today we're elevating your appetizer game with the most incredible smoked shrimp bruschetta, and trust me, this one's a game changer you won't want to miss. Traditional bruschetta is good, but it often lacks that certain something, doesn't it? Shrimp can sometimes feel a bit plain too. Well, we're solving both those problems by bringing them together in a way you've never tasted before. We're talking about plump, perfectly smoked shrimp, kissed with a subtle wood-fired flavor, piled high on crispy garlic-rubbed toast. It's light, it's fresh, and that smoky depth just transforms everything. You don't need a fancy smoker. Even a small charcoal grill can give you these amazing results with just a handful of wood chips. We'll quickly toss our shrimp with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper before they hit the smoke for just minutes, keeping them tender and juicy. Then, we'll toast our baguette, rub it with garlic, and spoon on our amazing shrimp mixture, maybe with a squeeze of lemon and some fresh parsley. The crunch of the bread, the succulent smoky shrimp, and the bright, fresh notes create a symphony of flavors that will make this your go-to party starter. This smoked shrimp bruschetta isn't just a recipe, it's an experience, guaranteed to make your next gathering unforgettable. Craving more barbecue seafood? Click here for my ultimate smoked salmon recipe,